Good day, students. Today we are going to discuss Math 1. Our topic for today is sums up to 20. Now, before we start, are you ready to listen? Okay, so let's get started. Now, let's start our discussion. On our screen, we have here 4 apples and also another 4 apples. Now, as you can see, when we add 4 plus 4, we get, we have 8 apples. Now, this has something to do with our discussion, which is sums up to 20. Now, our discussion is about addition itself or plus. Addition means putting things or objects and numbers together. In addition, we also have what we call addends. Addends are the numbers that we put together, while sum is the answer in addition. We also have the plus sign. That's the symbol for addition. Now let's take a look of our example number 1. If we put together 9 1 peso coins and another 9 1 peso coins, the total is 18 1 peso coins. Okay, here you can see 9 pesos plus 9 pesos is equal to 18 peso coins. For example number 2, we have 4 pencils plus 4 pencil. Now when we add these addends or the 4 plus 4, we get 8 as the sum. For the horizontal format, we get 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Now, for vertical format, we have 4 plus 4 over 8. Okay, so that's how we add whole numbers. For example number 3, we have pineapples. The first, we have 6 pineapples plus 3 pineapples. When we add them, we got, we got 9 pineapples in total. Okay, kids, now since you know how to add sums up to 20, this activity is for you. Answer the following on your book. Apply A, page 68, B, page 69, and C, page 70, as well as reinforce A, B, and C, okay? Write your answer on your notebook. Okay, so that's all for our discussion in Math 1. Thank you for listening and have a good day.